How many times have you arrived to the beauty supply store knowing that you needed to go in there and buy hair color, but you forgot your color list? So now you're super stressed out and are terrified you're not going to buy the right thing. I can't tell you how many hundreds of times that I've personally done this. But now that I figured out a better way, I can't wait to share it with you in today's video. Hey, I'm Madison, and I help independent hairstylists to set up or restructure their hairstyling businesses. I'll show you how to quiet the noise from all the unnecessary distractions using organization and truly innovative systems, as well as share some really helpful strategies to connect or reconnect you with your branding so you can learn the right way to promote your business, especially when you're promoting it online. Welcome to Hair Business Tips for stylists who feel super confused about how to start tracking and organizing your salon inventory. So first, we're gonna learn the golden rule when it comes to inventory management. And second, I'm gonna explain why having a system set up and in place will help you cut back on wasted money and products, leaving resources to spend on more beneficial aspects of your business. And then last, I will introduce you to a really cool new option for stylists that will hugely cut down on over ordering and the stress of keeping your products on the shelf. So knowing how to manage your inventory as an independent hairstylist can be super tricky. So having a strategy to ensure that you are improving your business's cash flow, increasing your profits, and reducing your order stock, as well as eliminating your guesswork and saving time, it's gonna be a game changer for you. But do you know what the number one rule to follow is when it comes to your inventory? I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm gonna tell you right now. Okay, the number one rule to follow is the number one rule to order on a budget. Order on a budget. Making sure to order all of your products by sticking to your budget is so crucial, especially if you're hoping to run a successful inventory management program. You're gonna wanna split up your inventory into 3 different categories: retail, back bar, and your color and your supplies. A good rule of thumb is to allocate around 20% of your service sales back into your supplies. And when I say that, I'm meaning your back bar and your color and supplies categories. But when it comes to the retail, I would actually suggest putting 50% of your retail sales back into reordering more retail. It can be beneficial to do it this way so that you're able to see exactly where the majority of your budget is being spent. That way, you're able to adjust it if necessary in the future. And it also allows you to prioritize the products that you need the most. Do you use a budget when you're working on your inventory management? Do you even have a system set up for managing your inventory right now? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so the second tip that I have for you when it comes to managing your inventory is to monitor or audit your inventory. Monitoring the color that you have in your back bar is super important because when you don't order your inventory correctly, it can heavily affect what services you can provide to your clients. And not only that, but did you know that on average, 40% of salon color products are unused and just collecting dust? If they aren't being used, they likely aren't worth having moving forward. You could better use your budget on making sure that you have products for the services that your clients are asking for the most. And when it comes to your retail products, auditing helps to determine what products you're selling, such as which products are your top, middle, and lower performing sellers. This allows you to prioritize orders based on what you're actually selling. So allocating a day and a time bi-weekly or at least once a month to go over what products you've used compared to what you've tracked them at before during your previous audit is a pretty important step when it comes to managing your inventory. So figure out what day you plan to go over this part of your business and then stay consistent. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel and you're interested in learning how you can build a successful and sustainable business as an independent hairstylist, click that notification bell at the bottom of the screen and make sure you're subscribed to this channel. That way you can be notified every single time that I release a new video just like this one. Okay, so here's my last tip to help you manage your inventory. And that would be to consider Salon Interactive. Basically, this is a way that you can set up an online store and offer touch-free shopping for high-end exclusive salon products. After signing up, you simply just select the brands that you want to offer and then share your store's link with your clients, or even put it on your website. And then your local distributor will ship to the client directly. It's fast, it's easy, and rather than you worrying about shipping or managing your inventory, you can just focus on creating an amazing beauty experience for your customers. Not only is this convenient and allows you to compete with the larger and larger distributors out there, such as Amazon, for example, which has completely taken a ton of our business away, but it also takes away the pressure of always having to have products in stock. Because if you don't have something that your client needs, for example, it's super easy for you to just help her place an order while her color is processing. Now, Salon Interactive does have a paid version that will actually allow you to reach out to clients directly within their platform and then recommend them products. But if you don't want to use that feature, honestly, you can manage your clients and your store with your own recommendations yourself. And that's personally what I do. But if you do have a salon rep, reach out to them directly to see if they can help you to get signed up for this if you're somewhere where this is offered. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description box below so that you can go research this further. And also, while I'm mentioning that description box below, I'm also going to link a PDF worksheet that you can use to organize your inventory and what you wanna carry in your business moving forward. It's what I've used in the past to help me set up my system, and I'm going to offer it to you as well. I hope that you guys got a lot out of this video, and if you have any other suggestions of topics that you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.